In today's video, I am going to teach you how to connect Wix to Mailchimp. To get started, open your web browser and go to the Wix website. Log into your Wix account using your usual sign-in method. If you manage more than one website inside Wix, take a moment after signing in to make sure you are working on the correct site. This is important because the Mailchimp connection will be added to the site you select, and you want your contact data and site activity to sync from the right place. Once you are inside your Wix dashboard, look for the main menu or dashboard options for your selected site. From here, you need to navigate to the Wix App Market. The App Market is where Wix lets you add extra tools and integrations to your website, including email marketing platforms like Mailchimp. Depending on your Wix layout, you may see the App Market listed in the left-hand menu, or you may need to open the Apps section from your site dashboard. Click into the Wix App Market when you find it. Now that you are in the App Market, use the search bar to look for Mailchimp. Type Mailchimp into the search field and wait for the results to appear. You may see different apps or integrations related to email marketing, so make sure you choose the Mailchimp option that is intended to connect your Wix site with your Mailchimp account. When you find the correct Mailchimp app, click on it to open the app details page. On the Mailchimp app page, look for the button that says Add to Site. Click Add to Site to begin installing the integration on your Wix website. At this point, Wix may ask you to confirm which site you want to add the app to, especially if your account has multiple sites. Confirm the correct website and continue. This step adds the Mailchimp integration to your Wix setup, but it does not fully connect your accounts yet. After the app is added, you should see an option to connect your account. Click Connect Account. This will take you to a Mailchimp login screen or a secure authorization window. Sign in with your Mailchimp credentials. Make sure you are using the Mailchimp account that contains the audience, contact lists, and email marketing tools you want to connect with your Wix site. If you are already signed in to Mailchimp in your browser, you may be taken directly to the authorization screen instead. Next, Wix and Mailchimp will ask you to authorize the connection. This permission allows Wix to sync contact data and site activity with Mailchimp. Review the access request so you understand what information will be shared between the two platforms. When you are ready, approve or authorize the connection. This is the step that allows the integration to actually work, so do not skip it. Once the account connection is approved, you will move into the sync settings. Here you can configure how Wix and Mailchimp share information. You may be able to map fields, such as names or other contact details, so that information from Wix appears correctly inside Mailchimp. You may also be asked to choose which Mailchimp audience or list should be updated when new contacts are collected through your Wix site. Take your time on this screen because these settings control where your contacts go and how they are organized. After reviewing your sync settings and making sure everything looks correct, look for the final button to save or activate the integration. Click Save or Activate to finalize the connection between Wix and Mailchimp. Once this is complete, your Wix site should be connected to your Mailchimp account, and your selected contact data and site activity can begin syncing based on the settings you chose. That covers everything you need to know. You have logged into Wix, added Mailchimp from the Wix App Market, connected your Mailchimp account, authorized the integration, configured the sync settings, and finalized the setup. And that is all there is to it.